Welcome to Education Rocks, kindergarten to grade 6 student learning activities. Reduce hours of prep. Students not at grade level? Nonverbal or speech-delayed students? Emergency subplans? New grade or split grade? Teach all ELA plus math outcomes every day? Personalize student vocabulary lists, dictionaries, and math skills practice? Easel by TpT activities and assessments? Yes. Education Rocks is a ready-to-use, no-prep ELA and math 180-day student learning program that spans the entire curriculum and is completely editable. Choose traditional and/or multimodal learning and response recording through video, audio, and digital tools. Subscribe on my website or at the end of the video to receive free resources you can try in your classroom today. This bundle is 45 days of student learning activities that span the entire ELA curriculum every day. Embedded digital reading books and age-appropriate instructional videos are included on every page. Vocabulary words and letter sounds are hyperlinked for visual and auditory practice. Concise student learning outcomes are easy to read, refer to, and implement. Here is what one day of kindergarten ELA full curriculum looks like. Reading and writing. New words, personal connections, phonemes, poetry, and rhyming words. Segmenting, sentence structure, consonant blends, and word morphology. Reading comprehension, reading strategies, and dictionary skills. Letter formation and letter identification. Vocabulary word practice, predictable and decipherable words, personal connections, and phonics and letter shapes. Phonetic cues and word shapes. Sequencing daily events. This concludes day 1 of ELA All Learning Outcomes practiced. Use as a full day of whole group instruction and practice, or break it up into chunks for morning work, independent practice, and/or assessments. There are 7 kindergarten ELA units. This one is the Word Work Unit Plan, or Vocabulary and Language. Units are excellent for morning work, targeted independent practice, and/or assessments. Letter sounds, beginning, middle, and end. Segmenting phonemes. Consonant blends. Letter formation and letter identification. Word morphology. Access to 4,000 audio-visual decoding, segmenting, and spelling videos on my YouTube channel at Education Rocks, Inc. Create your own or purchase the completed resource. For independent daily practice. Share a Google Slide copy with each student and delete and/or add words as you assess their word recognition skills. This bundle is 90 days of student learning activities that span the entire math curriculum every day. Embedded age-appropriate instructional videos are included on every page. Concise student learning outcomes are easy to read, refer to, and implement. Here is what one day of kindergarten math full curriculum looks like. Sorting objects, forward and back counting, visual quantification, and comparing objects, number bonds, two-dimensional shape properties, and financial mathematics, measuring attributes, measuring length, and repeating patterns. Sequencing daily events. This concludes day 1 math all student learning outcomes practiced. Use as a full day of whole group instruction and practice, or break it up into chunks for morning work or independent practice. There are 11 kindergarten math units. This one is the Compare Quantities Unit Plan. Units are excellent for morning work or targeted independent practice. Comparing quantities. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Excellent user-friendly format for both teacher and student. Editable. Over 200 digitally compatible Easel by TpT activities, and all are printable for traditional learning. Emergency subplans. We all need them. I've combined both ELA plus math into a 10-day full curriculum lesson plan that is a ready-to-use package for your substitute teacher. Want to save money? Here is the mega bundle for ELA. Get all ELA unit plans for any grade level at 50% off the individual unit plan price. Want to save even more money? Here is the mega bundle for math. Get all math unit plans for any grade level at 75% off the individual unit plan price. Shop at your favorite teacher resource store. Subscribe using the URL below to receive my entire store of free resources. Reach out at hello@educationrocks.ca.